Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert multiple blank rows in Excel at once. Okay. Now see this. I have datasheet. Example I select. I insert this multiple blank rows. Select rows area. Now right click mouse and add rows above the selections or below the selection. I select below the selections. Okay. Type your rows number. Example I insert 10 rows. Now click OK. Now see this. Automatically insert 10 rows and insert 100 rows. Right click mouse, add rows above the selections 100 or 1000. Now click OK. Now see this on thousands rows. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.